Okay. My Wi-Fi is having a freak out. So this is about to be very interesting. Let's see what happened. Let's... Yep. I don't know why my Wi-Fi is having a freak out and why I decided that of all times, right now is the best time to have one. But here we go. Let me turn the Wi-Fi off my phone, maybe. I don't know. What's up, guys? How are we doing? Happy Monday. Hi, David.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning, everybody. Like I said, yeah. Just, yeah. 2 minutes into stream and Wi-Fi dead. It was dying before I even started the stream, I'm not gonna lie. So I was like, okay. Yeah. We're gonna just go with this right now. Whatever happens, happens. Let's see what happens. What's up, David? How am I today? I am good. I'm good. So I'm glad. Wait, actually, how was everyone's weekend? Was it good? Was it bad? Yeah. How was it? Mine was chilled. Got some packing done. I wanted to almost do more packing, and then I realized I still have to live here for 3 weeks, so I can't pack everything. So that was a bit of a right situation, but you know, got a lot packed. I would love it if I could pack everything now and then not have to worry, but like I said, I do still have to live for 3 weeks. I can't pack everything like properly yet. So that, yeah, that's irritating, but it is what it is. You are insane. Pack the day before. Sally, are you crazy? So boom, when am I moving? So the movers are coming on the 26th. So it's a Friday. So basically I still have 2 weekends to go to pack things. I like to pack on the weekends, you know, then there's no interruptions or whatever. You do what you gotta do and you move on with life. What's up, Lucky Mon? How you doing? Hope you could be the first to type in chat. Well, maybe. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just save and reload. Let's save and reload. Let's see. Maybe it'll sort itself out. There we go. Okay, so it just needed a bit of a nope. Yes, no, maybe. We're being hopeful here. Is everything? Hit the bookshop. I had way too heavy. Oh gosh. Strawberry. What? Atlanta, why are we saying random words? I'm so confused. All the random words right now, but okay. Okay. Done. Okay, that should work. Am I okay, David? I'm okay. I'm okay. Anyways, shall we do a quick... Yes, we can. I was gonna be like, oh, will this even allow me? It should allow me. Yeah, okay. Wi-Fi looks like it's sorted itself out. I was going to say, let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. Ooh, this Asia low was taken. Awesome. Yeah. Oh, damn. Well, okay then. No new weekly opening gap. I mean, a little bit of an imbalance, but not like, yeah, nothing hectic. That's cool. Slash weird. I don't know what to do with this information. I'm gonna leave it at that. New weekly opening because there ain't no gap. Let's make it that line. Okay. Then we gotta find midnight as well. And then I'll mark everything else after that. Midnight. Nope, went too far. There it is. Midnight open. Okay, dokie. Now let's mark out highs and lows. Let's do this thing. Asia high. Okay, shoot. Asia low. Says there, I'm gonna mark it as here. Okay. Done and done. Okay, let's... Sorry, I'm saying okay a lot, aren't I? I kinda am. I'm so sorry. I'll stop saying okay so much. Okay, no, kidding. Okay, this is saying the New York high is actually here. I'm gonna make it there. Okay, and this is actually relative equal highs going on over here. Excuse me, there we go. Okay. That's what I wanted to do. Now that can go away. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. Close all the shenanigans. Okay. Cool. This thing went down properly during Friday. Range is huge, might need to trade 0.5 micros. Mario G-Man, what's up? And Debbie, hi guys! Every time I come to 24. Fuck you on that end, nice. It's 1 AM, guys, why is it 1 AM? Angie Bears, what's up? How are you? How are you? Good morning to everybody and everyone. Hello. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Did you guys do anything super duper cool? Yeah, whoa. Holy moly. That is insane. What? Okay then. Okay then. That's a hectic drop to happen in a day. Okay, let's see what happens after that. Okay, 4 hour, let's see what we got. Obviously there was a massive imbalance. That being said, there's so many imbalances to the bear side that's not even funny. Dropped 3 points on New York session was crazy. Yeah, no, Debbie, it's insane. You're in Guatemala, and it's 1 AM, guys. And thanks another payout day. Oh, that's awesome, Jabez. Was there one news or something that pushed it lower? I drove fast like this weekend, that's about it. Oh gosh, weather's been... So I've been following the Bitcoin price action during the day yesterday. Every box I've drawn on the charts on Saturday has been respected and caused a pivot. Ooh! Some guy, that's really cool. But did you know... How do I put this? Did you take the trades or were you just watching? What a beautiful drop. You say a beautiful drop, I go, holy moly. Okay, now it's pushing up. Let's see, on the 4 hour, this is low-key looking a little bit like a bear flag. One hour. Okay, let me actually not mess with things. I was gonna stop messing around and I was like, don't do that. Let's not do that right now. Okay, well, a lot of bearish fair value gaps for it to potentially come and respect and mitigate. So let's see. 15-minute is where I want to take note of some liquidity levels. So I'm sorry guys, you might be blinded for a second. I do apologize. No, so that's right. This one here is also a very big liquidity level. Ironically, that one's not. This one's better, but it's part of the equal highs. Go. Done, done, done. Awesome, don't need that anymore. Okay, now we're good. 5-minute. Oh, I did not zoom in. Okay, so tapped into that volume imbalance on the 5-minute and respected it. Awesome. Okay, let's do this thing, guys. Let's get it started. Here's 3 AM open. Right over here, right by VWAP. Awesome sauce. Okay. You can see the 12th Discord volume trading now minting. Okay, after a big destination drop, Bitcoin is sugar, so don't want to over. Okay, to find the high to short. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Some guy, no, you worked this weekend, hey? Then you had Monday off, right? Yes, no, maybe. I'm trying to remember how, where, why, what, when, who. Okay, I want to check out one thing. Hopefully it doesn't... There we go. That was bugging me. Done. For Saturday morning. Oh, so you, oh, okay, that makes sense. So Monday and Sunday is your weekend. I haven't been learning any new stuff. Curious before I dip. Atlanta, first of all, where are you going? And no, not necessarily any new stuff. Like I said, just been hectic with the moving and that has to happen soon. I am both super excited and super sad. I'm a little conflicted with how I feel about moving. I'm not gonna lie. A little bit conflicted, but we carry on, right? And part of me is super excited to get back to my friends and my horse. Heck yeah. Another part of me is just kind of going, oh, I'm gonna miss the beach. It's kind of it. Okay, gonna miss the beach. Do 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 do. $3:05. Okay, so first 5 minutes have gone by. Not much has happened. Okay. Not a great start. Oh, this was actually such a nice bob to bob trade. Look at that. Chef's kiss right there. Solid rejection. Oh, this would actually be quite a nice. Nope, I take it back. Wouldn't have even pretended to come back up that high to tag me in. Okay, let's see what we get. Rejection back up off of there. Oh gosh, we are just ranging right now. No! Not a Friday range. I mean Friday, wow. Not a Monday range. So it's not starting too well, is it? A lot of business to handle this month, yeah. Adjustment. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna miss the beach walks in the morning. That's literally it. Apart from that, I cannot wait to go back. Seriously, cannot wait. I think that's why part of me is conflicted, because I want to like pack everything and be ready to move like tomorrow, but in the same breath, what am I gonna then do with myself? 3 weeks while I wait. Oh my gosh. I was in the sea every morning. We had the heat wave the other week, but right now I ain't going anywhere near it. Yeah, if you replace the beach walks with that. Oh yeah, 100%. Now we're moving. I can go for walks. You know, just also keep Harry entertained. Gotta keep him busy. This weather's wild. I wanna, but I'm gonna get soaked. Yeah, some guy. It is like sunny here. To be fair, it's like always sunny. I keep hearing these noises, and I'm just like, what is going on? Oh. Okay, it's the monkeys. That's what's going on. Never mind. You were walking your dog on the beach Saturday morning and there was a shark just cruising like 10 meters off the shore. Solly? That is wild. Okay. Was it like a big shark or was it like a little itty bitty shark? I'll hire a crew of shirtless work. Handling, packing and removing and lunch. That was no. Your winter is your summer. No, that's valid. That is valid. Like I'm here in a jacket and it's really not that cold at all. You'd probably be swimming in the ocean here right now. But for me, I'm just like, it's too cold. No. I also have to keep an eye out because it is now the sardine run down here. I want to see if I can see some whales, or I saw dolphins the other day, so that was cool, but I want to see if I can see some whales before I go. No, I know that he was looking like it was the summer this year. That's realistic speaking, guys. No. Just no. Come on. No. Are you gonna give us anything today? I mean, that was a good rejection, but this makes me think it's gonna just come right back down. Do you know what vibes this is giving me? I haven't packed my coin collection yet, specifically for the fact that, well, you know, done yet. Pick a coin. Let's go for a little 1 rand. If that was all the sun we get, I'm a sad guy. I bet it's warmer here. It's 15 degrees. Oh, yeah, 100%. It's definitely warmer here. 100%. Ah, cheers, Atlanta. Enjoy. Yeah, last night I was double jumped up on a Sunday. Do I have a whale's fun fact? I don't actually know if I do have a whale fun fact. Does anyone have a whale fun fact? Landed on my keyboard, but it landed on cell. Okay, yes, it's a paper account. Guys, coin flip trade. Just because I can, and, well, I can. Because it's chopping, and I hate it when it chops. So, let's see what this does. No, hopefully not, but UK Summit is not running like this on every few days. Nope, that's not actually where I wanted to draw that. Part of me would low-key be keen on this trade. Should I take it on the paper one for funsies? Oh, it's completely going against this one. Let's see if it starts heading that way. Maybe I'll consider I'll close this when it reaches there and see if it goes there. You got a whale fun fact? Okay, Solly, what is it? What is the whale fun fact? Of course, we normally get a bit warmer than you, but I think we're colder right now. Uh-oh. Okay. Remember the time when crows and raven shut people down? Wait, what, some guy? I thought you were gonna say Crovid. Get it? Crows and... No? No. No. COVID-19. Okay, I got in trouble by the Coast Guard because the young whale kept swimming under us when we were surfing and kept telling us to move, but it kept following. What type of whale was it, Solly? Also, what an experience! But I agree, what are you supposed to do if the whale's following you? Like, push it away. That's not how it works. Big dark shape under you. Yeah, that is, yeah. But Tommy is nowhere near that. Thought it was Jaws. That would work better. Google Corvid. Safe, I promise. Okay. Corvid-19. Ah, took me out. Or the beep. No, it thinks that I misspelt COVID. Alright, let me maybe take that away. I'll put the 19. Sorry. That's a joke on the... Oh, I get it. Sorry, I'm laughing at this. Let me quickly show you what I'm laughing at. This kind of got me. The corvids are completely unhinged birds. And I'm just like, same. Oh, nice. Okay, so I get it. And corvids are freaky. So I'm assuming this is just the family of corvids, but yeah, this was amazing. Corvids are completely unhinged. Just like me. If you can start calling me COVID. Let's do this. To be fair, they are completely unhinged. I love it. Ah, wait. Sorry, I'm gonna pretend like I entered there. Curiosity and all that whatnot. Okay, let's make this then a little bit higher. Let's make it a 1 to 2. Okie dokie. Oh, I've made this very difficult for myself right now, but oh well. Let's see what happens. Made it a 1 to 2 R1. Theoretically, this was the trade entry down here. If I had it set up normally, entry here, TP at the top over there. I am then gonna move this. It's basically at 1 to 1. I'm gonna move it into a little bit of a break-even situation. Cool, so seeing normal strategy, if I'd moved it here. Oh, okay, either way I had it would have actually worked out okay. Nice. I don't know which one, but one of the old boys tried to write it. Oh my gosh, Sully. Everyone was off him after that. Yep. I would be so angry at him if he did that. Mean reversion. Adam, what's up? How you doing? Some guy, Jay feeds crows. He likes them and always sleep. To be fair, crows are extremely intelligent, which is actually a little bit scary. They are very, very clever birds. Oh. Okay, I don't really like the entry for this. Entry over here would potentially be better. Crows are big brain. They can recognize human faces, hold grudges for years, problem solve, use tools to accomplish goals. So open so far, but be careful, volume likely to come in at some point. Mean reversion? Thank you, respect, I hear you. Let's see, so that's frustrating. This would have been a winning trade, but that's okay. Let's see about this one. This is on the paper. That's why I marked it in. Nice to see that it would have worked out. Anyways, let's see what happens next. Right, by the 50%, like I said, marketing in here potentially to continue up to the buy side. Do you think this is just potentially... Wait, where's Asia high? There it is. Asia high and Asia low. Could just be stuck in this range still. Wouldn't surprise me. I have one called Russell that recognizes Ulf when we're in the park and comes and follows us around because I feed him. He'll come and eat out of my hand if I sit on the bench and wait for him. That is so cool. Russell Crowe. I get it. That is hilarious. Respect. That is awesome. Moving on. Okay, that would explain why he likes them then. He never actually told me that. I just always laughed when I asked. He salute Chris. Hey Lukey, what's up? I did not, Lukey. I did not. I missed that big short, which is a bit of a bummer, but I guess it is what it is. Am I gonna be that guy? Part of me wants to be that guy. Am I gonna be greedy? I'm gonna be a greedy guy. I'm gonna be that guy. Let's do this. Trish, what's up? Don't move, the beach is amazing. Family can come visit you instead. Absolutely not. No. I miss my friends and I miss my horse. I'm going back. I will rather very happily come and visit the beach, especially now that I know where to go. So this is not a very touristy place, but for me personally, it has the best beach and the best swimming beach ever. So now I know where to go when I want to go on holiday to the beach. All crows are Russell and all seagulls are Steven. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, you were dead. Sorry. There's a video. Anyways, doesn't matter. Bitcoin looking like it's reclaimed and holding people. Can I get a bump, please? Bump it up, bump it, bump it. Shoot, it's not A+. Has 2. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Don't hate it either, but it's not ideal. Let's see. Ah. Here. Might be too late. One, two, it went beautifully out of there. See how much. It's more of a B setup and the correct. Let me check this out. Shoot, correct entry would actually be where stop losses. It was a decent push though. Nope, not coming far enough back down. Okay, and there it took out the look. No, not yet. Sorry, I lie. Has not taken out that liquidity yet. It's about to though. Once it takes out that liquidity, we could see a little bit more of a retest that goes on. So it's messing around until it gets there. Close still hasn't tapped into it. Okay, now it has. Dagnabbit. Okay, it took out that liquidity. It's about to tap into a bearish fair value gap. Especially on the 1 minute. Could expect a little bit of a further retest. It is going up to midnight magnet. Oh man. Okay. Let's go back to the paper. The paper one's working out beautifully, can I just say. Should have maybe taken that trade earlier. Shucksy doodles. Pity. Midnight magnet, there it goes. I don't so many more without a weapon to be fishing with a mask on to go away my innocence. Why? What? Too many jaws. 12 the sharp alarm went off on my local again. Got a notification on my phone. I know the crows are tiny around coast areas, but like almost 3 times bigger than one. Can't get them massive to the crow because they're so much bigger than pigeons. Great white on Friday at the next beach over. What the heck? What is going on in Australia that all the sharks are like, okay, let's do this? Did they go and watch Jaws and they were like, now's our time? Da-dum, 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 da-dum. I don't actually hate this. Trade either right by this volume imbalance that was really respected, just took out a bunch of liquidity. Man. Here's the push, here's this little bit more of a... Well, just a really nice push. Pity. I'm gonna cross out to more person there. Smaller, do you have large one? See no rook. I'm assuming that's a crow. Make money online? What's up? How you doing? Only on the paper account. Mean reversion. Reversion, yes. Can I just call you Mean Adam? Mean Adam, I did get long, but only on the paper account, which is a bit of a bummer because this is working out really, really well now. Rook is like a bigger, smarter crow. Ooh. I'm looking it up. Huh. Looks smaller than a crow though. Okay, here we go. Sorry, now we're on the topic of rooks here, so... Rooks and crows are very similar in size, but rooks are slightly smaller than the larger crow species like the carrion crow or the American crow. A rook body length reaches 44 to 46 centimeters with a 90 centimeter wingspan. That's big. Okay. Whereas a carrion crow measures slightly larger with a wingspan of about 100 cent or 1 meter. What? Why are crows so massive? That's low-key terrifying. See, this is why I'm not gonna even like sugarcoat it. I do have an itty bitty tiny little fear of birds because that is insane. That is crazy. Hey OTT, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. I don't know. No, I mean, okay, just say got it, Adam. Crows, no one else mentions. Search them now. You're not only good, you are fantastic. Why are you fantastic? Woohoo! That was nice. Bummer about that. Oh well. Okay. Did not come in a retrace at all anywhere. Well, like I said, apart from that, that would have been a banger. Foxy doodles, moving on. Told you crows are massive. Well, that breed anyway. Yep. Why are you going back to... Wait. Have you even slept? Maybe that's the better question. OTT, you just joined. Literally, it's like, hi, bye. Thanks for stopping in. Okay. That was a good trade. You had a win during Asia, one break, even a one win. What? So wait, OTT, are you now trading Asia? I'm so confused. Are you just trading whenever the heck you want at this point? That's low-key the vibe I'm getting. You're just kind of going with it. Nice. Respect. Yeah. 30, I got confused. Too many R's. Oh, Raven. Ravens. It's just like, damn it, market open. I trade the session I feel like trading. I trade New York the 300 traded. It's time to explore. That's fair. That's fair. I get it. I get it. Raven. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh damn, yeah, ravens are huge. No thanks. Okay. Is it the raven or the crow that can learn how to talk? Or can they both learn how to talk? I think it's the raven though. I have a feeling it's the raven that learns how to talk, kind of like a parrot. It's a little bit scary how good they are. Is that my first crypto win? No ways! Oh. I'm lying, I'm trading at it. I couldn't sleep, so it's better than Gap, I guess. All that nice work, join me in the shadows. Okay. I mean... Ooh. Ooh. Do you guys want to see what butterfly I saw this weekend? Sorry. We were talking about birds. I don't think you guys are ready for this butterfly that I saw this weekend. It was very, very cool. Hello. What? I thought only birds can talk. I don't know. Other birds can talk. That's crazy. Yeah, Debbie. They can. That's how smart they are. Can I help you, sir? Look who we have. We have a guest. Hello. We have the bestest guest here today. What's up, Bean? Oh. Yeah. The main man himself is here. You good? Oh, okay. Thank you. One more. I'm a sucker. Cancel later. Look at the chance I posted in the bottom. There we go. Okay. Midnight Magnet. You're gonna make it scary. Some guy got Bitcoin nailed down. Yeah, literally. I was looking at his stuff on Discord now and I was like, okay. Okay then. Okay then. The madden birds instead of chirping, maybe birds are just mouthing off in the mornings. I wouldn't blame them. I get it. It's valid. I would do the same. Well, I do the same thing. It's good morning. I'm like, ugh. Is it? It's morning. Is it good though? Nah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. My friend is an African grey and that boy is a little scary. Oh, what does he say about you? Because we all know it's true. I'm kidding. But the last couple of days I've been cooking. I've been looking, taking notes, question what time frame you enter on. I decided on the 15-minute. Okay. 3:35. I feel like we need to have like a countdown going on. To be fair, my friend made a countdown. So I can tell you that there's like 19 days left. Yeah. 19 days left until I am back. Which is weird. But anyways, did anyone get up to anything super duper cool this weekend? Meh, not really. Yeah, what did everyone do this weekend? That would have been a nice one. Let's see it. That was a B setup. Mentioning that all the beautiful meaning the birds has been terrible. Depends me on how we get to the zone, what kind of zone is what structure looks like. Okay. Okay, let's go. Nope. In the mornings I open the window and give it right back to it. Oh my gosh. I just see my friend has an African grey and he screamed like her little girl, exactly the same. I swear he actively mocks and makes fun of her. To be fair, what a great way to get a kid to stop screaming. I just see something looking for things to be present across multiple time frames like this low long fine. All time frames 6 hour and down. In the mornings I open the window. Spent the whole weekend looking for a new job. Oh, why, Japan? The parrots actually know what they're saying. Oh, they do. What doing? I want one so bad. Scared of birds. OTT, I'm also scared of birds. So you get the bird, and then I'll just come and visit when it's cool. Yeah? Cool. I'm just checking something. Nah, I didn't reach there. Did reach back down to that one though. Let's see what happens here. If we are just gonna be messing about a bit. It's a hectic doji. Okay. We're starting. It didn't come and get me earlier, which was a bit of a bummer. Did have this trade placed, it just didn't come in a retest. Before taking out the point of interest, we got Asia high up there. Where are them equal highs at? Oh damn, those equal highs are very far up. Never mind. Do you think that? Okay. Sorry, I just looked now. This has a lot of liquidity in this zone here. A lot of liquidity. Let's see what happens once it sweeps it properly. It's by the midpoint of bob level. So let's see what happens there. Damn, it's respecting the heck out of that volume imbalance. This volume imbalance has been tapped into like 3 times, and each time it's been rejected off of. Maybe I have to bring it out of there. I could throw it out the window. They learn that saying certain things get certain reactions, so they repeat the action. Aw, sorry, Jabez. 15 entries, eventually using the one. The Alexis, what's up? Hi, so I trade using prop firms. I'm currently funded with Top 1 futures. So yeah, I have my funded with Top 1 futures. This right now is actually the paper account. Okay. Anyways, I think that was a spam call. Now you buy now come visit. I want to teach it to say. Why do you want to teach it to say monkey? Yeah. What about you, Alexis? What do you trade? ICT, if the strat works on one asset, it should work on another. Just be aware that you might need wider stop loss. Be wiki. Wiki is loud. I've been trying to get him to do the little song at the start of the cartoon Robin Hood with a 341. Okay, like I said, it's in quite a high liquidity zone. Let's see what we get. Sorry, I'm pulling a face because how is it already yeah, time be going fast today. That's cool, not gonna complain about that. Gonna have the first bird to be racially funny. The problem is OTT, I hear you, I hear that. Yes, point is, what if someone walks in that doesn't have that sense of humor and the bird says that? Oh good grief. I was prepared to know what they're saying. As long as I'm still seated in my brain today. I was thinking yesterday, trade kind of proved it can work. Hello, sir. Stop scratching. Good boy. What they gonna do? Genuinely a genius. They won't do anything to the bird, they'll do something to the owner of the bird, OTT. Because they'll assume it's the owner's fault. That's the problem. I mean, so you could go and teach a crow to do that. Because then what are they gonna do? You know, crows, it has no owner. But, hello. Yes, look at smile of that. Hello. Look, it's a little Perry. It's a little Perry. The main man is here. The main character's here. I'm just the person. Hello. Say hi to everybody. Hello. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. From the main man himself. Good boy. My parrot just watches TV. It's not me. You guys are now making me want to go and watch Robin Hood. I haven't seen it in ages. Or at least not the original version. I wonder what's going through his mind. It's probably just give me food, woman. Okay? It'll probably just give me food, woman. Yeah. Hey, Jordy! How long have you been here? Yeah, I low-key probably gonna watch later. We should do a what? A Discord movie night. While you stream it, just share, and we'll all just sit there and watch Robin Hood. That's the best venture any cartoon ever made. Just got your noise. I thought Jordy had just appeared and shouted period. I realized I misread. I mean, that would be pretty funny if he had done that. My favorite crow fact is if you do bad to a crow, they actually don't forget, and they'll tell other crows you're a bad human, and actually even tell their kids, and newer generations would know you bad. Yeah, they hold grudges. Maybe crows are my spirit animal. They hold grudges, and they'll make sure everyone knows about it. Jordy, it's morning, fellas, and Deb. Where's Debbie? That would be why you didn't. Never mind, ignore me. That's why you didn't say hi to Debbie, because she's being quiet. I haven't opened NQ. How did we open? I mean, it actually pushed pretty decently. Since opening, it has moved 138 points. For London, that's really not bad. I was convinced it was gonna just consolidate a bit. It looked like it was gonna do that, and then it just kind of pushed off. I'm a little bit grumpy at myself. I was looking at this trade here, but because it was in the bob level, I didn't take it. It would have been such a banger. It would have been such a good trade. But I took it on the paper account, and I was even greedy about it, and moved it up here, and it was a really, really good trade. Pity. Oh well. We still have so much time to get another setup, so let's see what happens. Just hate when it messes around near this bob level, because then I kind of go, okay, let's see what happens. I was wondering, here's something funny. I was making a new account, and then the suggestion of username was PDabby, and I was like, I'll skip. All this rain letting up. I'm going, it's so finished. Oh, I'll be back. Okay, enjoy, some guy. Don't get sick. Bro, that's like the mom instinct inside of me that goes. I do that all the time. I don't have the same concern about myself though. I'm very weird like that. Sorry, I was typing. That's okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Like I said, this now just took out all of that liquidity. Look at this. All of that. What does this look like in the 5 minute? Okay, damn. I think next stop is Asia High. Nope. Better. I really think next stop might be Asia High. This thing is pumping. On the 15, let's see what it looks like. Curious about this. It's near the 50% of this wick. Let's see, I'm not gonna try and guess what the 50% is today. Yeah, tapped into the 50% of this wick here on the 15 minute. Back, let's see what we got. Man. Okay, potential rejection off of there. I'm gonna take this on the paper because again, it's not really an A+ setup for me. I'm gonna keep an eye out though. Let's see if it becomes... Nope, this thing is just going. Sure, go on then. Okay. 50% of the wick on the 15-minute. Let's see, it might reject off of it. It did take a bunch of liquidity. Bit of a retracement can be expected over here. This is on the paper. We know it can be a little bit slow. If it is slow, I will flipping mark it in. Watch me. I am also gonna watch and see if we get an A+ setup. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what happens. My days of wearing a tie are slowly coming to an end. Taylor's coming sooner than. Oh, Geordie, that's exciting. Type me a message. What's happening? You know how they say don't leave a job with burning bridges? Yes, I know. Deep down, I've always wanted to leave with a bang, like flashing a finger to the boss and leaving a Lambo. That's amazing, Geordie. I wish I wanted to do that at my last job. Be like, peace out, motherfucker. And I was like, no, don't do that. Don't be that guy. Even though you want to be that guy, don't be that guy. It's a running away. Singing bye bye bye. Okay. I mean, it's still rejecting off the 50%. It is. It's rejecting off that 50%. Let's see what this does here. I don't hate this trade. I just don't know if I want to take it on my actual account. Oh, I'm a little bit conflicted. This might want to go slightly further back down. Yeah, this is putting in the hard yarn. Don't go rent out Lambo. Go live your dream! The county really has no loyalties to employer because he knows there's plenty more for him. I guess it's also the thing, Debbie, of, and this sounds so bad, they say they value you, but the second you leave, they just replace you. And it sounds so mean to say, but it's true. Renting a Lambo is wild and Gauteng. They know. Got a question to the people who have a job. Why do so many people actually hate their jobs? I work my D till my first pay to get my proper accounting quit, but damn, they'll be hating. Okay, but like, did you enjoy your job, OTT? I will burn it to the ground and sleep peacefully at night. That's hilarious. Old Lev, what's up? I was concentrating. Wait, oh, you were concreting, not concentrating. I was concreting under house on my knees with a computer and hit my head. Area, looked at the boss and said, I'm gone. Bit of a pity, but whatever, let's see what happens. That's hard. Are you more than the 2000s? We got bad people. Spam blacklisting is real out here. Oh my gosh. I worked there for a month, not long enough to say I hate or liked it, but damn. Ain't it? I realized one thing, I'm too lazy to pay bills. Wow. Yeah. And you've just been living your best life trading ever since then. Give me a second. Be right back. I want to be as cool as OTT when I grow up. And OTT's younger than me. Okay. Only you need some struggle. Jordan, my defense, I started trading real young, so basically live. Good job, no more. Yeah, they save lunch money for 3 weeks to blow on NFP. I work with my brother every now and again to remind me of the pain. Just smelling a job site and I'm good for 3 months. Hey Blaze, wavy, I have to admit you're the first female trader I've come across. It's cool seeing someone break the stereotype. Aw, thanks Blaze. To be fair, there are a few of us. I'm not amazing. Please don't, let's not be under any delusions over here. I'm definitely not amazing. The plan is to one day be amazing. But for now, we are still learning and growing and, you know what, having fun along the way. I think that's also important. Well, it's a skill base. There's not many people that can do what he does and he knows this, so he uses it in his favor. True. You can hunt for jobs. You don't need to look for work like most do. That's nice. That's lucky. Yeah, that's awesome. No, I'm learning. Yeah. A call center job at IW. No, I don't get grab with money like that. The reason I started trading. What cars for a bit, babysitting or whatnot, so I can get those props. Aw, OTT! That is amazing. You're gonna have to write a book when you're older. Hello, sir. Can I help you? Okay. Let's see what happens. We are solidly consolidating here. Loki looks like he wants to push a little bit lower on ES. Let's see what this does. Like I said, I'm not going to take this on the funded because I don't like, you guys know, I don't like messing around in the bob level. And this range is a tad bit large for London. Though that being said, London is moving really nicely. Respect that hustle. Probably be an essay scam. This is why we have a bad name, OTT. Okay, so it's going down? Question mark? Kind of looks like it. Let's see what this does here. It's bound to work out, right? I was about to say, come on, paper. Don't be like this. This is why I don't like messing around in the bob level. This is very interesting. Let's see what happens here. What's up, Bob? How are we doing? Dude, I had a whole plan right out of GTI, go to a fancy hotel, take some fake NFP results, simple money glitch. Wow. Well, at least you're decent. Okay, took that out on ES. Let's see what it does here. This is only on the paper again, guys. This do be on the paper. So let's see. Might come down a little bit further into this order block. Yeah, down a little bit further. Damn, okay. That did not work out at all. Then again, it did solidly reject off of the 50% of this wick. Which means this is just a bigger rejection. Wait, actually. Let's keep that up. Okay. This is just a real solid rejection off of that level. Let's see what happens next. Are we going to just reject and then go back up? Sully trying to see something and do something. Of course you got skill, you're coming through nicely on trading, you got that already. What can I see? You got some skills already. Okay. Wow, down we go apparently. Good grief. No, it won't return. There's a lot of momentum. What's up, Multimirror? How are you doing? So, Multimirror, you think this is just gonna continue going down? You really don't think it's gonna... Okay. Oh, all the hiccups. Okay. To VWAP at the rejection. Damn. Okay, you think it's gonna drop all the way down there? Let's see, Multi. Multi, how was your weekend? What did I for? Here we go. Listen, I know why I can't. He's just hardworking, being delusional. A lot of them. Next time I don't think it would actually make it this far. Scary. You have a horse and you might want to be friends with the horse. Fair warning. Yeah, Jody, that makes sense. Careful. Are you sure you want to introduce her to that world? Just saying. Just saying. Are you sure you want to do that? Run away. Run away. It's very expensive. Run away screaming. Yeah, I'm Geordie friends. The horse, not mine. Priorities. To be fair. Do you know that happens wherever I go? Even my friend who's counting down the days is like, so when do I get to see Perry? I'm like, thanks. I'm just the human that is attached to the dog. But I know where the priorities land, and it's not with me at all. She's just like, I want to see Perry. Yeah, I guess you can come along, but you know, I want to see Perry again. It's like, noted. Really loves horses. Oh, there we go, Geordie. So like I said, yeah, let her come be friends with mine, but then just stay far away from that world. From a horse rider. Stay very far away. It's very expensive. What's this scam me? I'll just bring. Oh, hi. I mean, the horse won't eat the biltong. I'll eat the biltong though, but the horse won't eat the biltong. When you summon with Bugatti, I would be friends with the Bugatti, not the owners. That makes sense. There was a horse girl at my school that would jump around and neigh. Was I like that? When I was like in primary school, I was like that, but not like high school and what? No. 1 kilogram of biltong is enough to buy a Lambo. Okay, like I said, there was the retracement, that rejection off of that wick. Let's see if we now go out up. No, let's reboot. Let's try English again. Let's see if we go to Asia High now. Annually. Debbie, I don't even want to do the math on this. I don't want to do the math. I'm a little scared. Okay, I can tell you just... Okay. Let's do this because this will account for some... To be fair, this sounds bad. It sounds really bad, but it could be worse. Let's do a comparison to pounds. I've just done like this is stabling and feed and grooming and feet for a year. Like I said, I added a little bit for like maybe the vaccines and things like that. Let's convert. So first of all, two things. First of all, this is the butterfly I saw over the weekend. How cool. Pearl Emperor, I also saw this one, but he is like my favorite butterfly. He's very, very cool. Let's now do rands to pounds. This is annually, guys. This is annually. Ooh, no, that's not. Oops. I did round up a little bit, but 5,157 pounds a year. Again, I kind of rounded up. Oh, this is bad. A year, Geordie. Yeah, it's 114 a year. Okay, but Debbie, this is not including, this is just the stabling. This is like the farrier, stabling, feed, things like that. This is not including like horse shows or physio or anything extra on top. This is just the upkeep, if you will. That's like 50 proper counts. Okay. Some people don't even earn that much. I know. Like I said, Geordie, run away screaming if she ever says she wants a horse. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. So, Debbie, the problem is I can't give you the exact costs of that because, well, I haven't gone to a horse show in quite a while. Add another. Sure, and some people go, yeah, you probably 10 to 15k pounds annually, somewhere around there. Somewhere around there probably would be right with shows and. There's levels to this necessary. Thank you. Nope. That's achievable. No, exactly, Geordie. It is. It's very achievable. It is. It is achievable, but again, that's not including the extras. That's like the basics. Like the damn thing. I'm not buying the damn thing. I have an apartment. I'm gonna dump her at your place for the day and pick her up later. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. You will owe me food. Like, I want to say McDonald's, but you'll owe me food. Girlfriend daycare. It is many. I've been putting him on Facebook Marketplace. What's up, Mikuave? How you doing? How old is my horse? Oh, he turned 8. So he's turning 9 this year in October. So he's 8 now. What's up, T-Bone? How you doing? I'd buy one just as a grass cut. If you're gonna do that, you might as well get a goat. I feel like they're gonna be a lot cheaper. Just little thing. Why are you not giving me anything to do? But okay. Shall we do a coin toss up in this house? Yo, Shorty, what the are you doing? What about a colder country like UK? Would it be different to having a horse in SA? Potentially, because you might have to spend more on supplements and grass and things like that because they have to spend a lot of time inside. So it would probably be a little bit more expensive depending on where. So yeah, probably will be more expensive. $800K has been used. Damn, it's expensive. I'll stick with my parrot. At least with the goat. I wouldn't be scared to go in the garden. Well, how about you? Caught some of the dumpster fire that was fire. I did not, T-Bone. I did not, which makes me upset, but it is what it is. Did you? Who caught the dumpster fire? I like that, T-Bone. Who caught that dump on Friday? I can hear what you said. Is my Wi-Fi cut? Oh, sorry, Shawnee. No, I'm not there yet. Like I said, I'm so slowly climbing my way back out of the hole that is the drawdown I was in. Yeah, that's about it. That's where we're at. What about transport? Do they leave the property often? No. But you know, that's why a lot of people have horse boxes, so they do their own transport. Else transport does cost quite a bit. Yeah. Horses off the transport. Just need some bus money. To be fair, I would be that person that if there was a drive-through somewhere close by, I would ride my horse to the drive-through, chill in the drive-through, get myself some food, go back home. I did mention anything like a hot bloat on Friday, but I did not expect kind of hot. No. If I caught that on Friday, I would have had 2 record-breaking weeks in a row. My friend is forever fixing business's horse trailer. Yeah. That's also not really good. Why is he always having to fix it? Okay, that makes sense. He's a farrier, so she uses it a lot. I have a lot of respect for farriers. That's intense work right there. Sorry, it made me think of some guy's joke. Every time I say intense now, I think about that damn joke. Some guy, I don't know if he's still here, but that damn joke pops into my head every single time I say intense. I would have caught the dump at 2 places. Well, why didn't you then, Mikuave? Why didn't you take it? What happened? I did in my testing. Okay. Ollie, do you take live trades or not? You do take live trades. No? Yes? Maybe you're still figuring some things out, right? So you're still kind of paper trading for now. Both used to be construction since we put our hands on. Oh, Iris, what's up? Guys, it's Iris! How are you doing, Iris? Mad love. Thanks for hopping by. Stopping by. Hopping. I want to say hopping in and I messed that up. How's it going, Iris? How's the trading been? Yeah, I say cold. I'm just actually a really big baby. It's not that cold here. It's just rather cold in my room. I see you making me feel like a black. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? I just want at least 2 weeks more testing before I get back to live trading. Okay, that makes sense. Emikwabe. That's fine. And that's valid. I'm joking, guys. ICT my dad. Don't take me serious. Guys, I have mentioned Iris before, in case you guys have forgotten. She's also a South African female streamer that trades ICT. Yeah, I'm excited for her to have hopped on and said hi. Hopping by. An LG microwave. How's it going, Hammer? How was the weekend? Jordy was trying to get me to go back this week. Why aren't you, Mikuabe? Out of curiosity. Is it just you want to be super confident before you go back? Or what's up? Iris the banger ICT trader. Exactly, guys. Okay, can we... At first said sell, then it said buy. I'm conflicted. You're right, I should apologize. He might switch off the algorithm. Okay. Did one buy, one sell. Let's see what we get. Okay, it says buy. Maybe not two. Let's go for one. Okay, we're on the paper account. I really have to sometimes double check that before just clicking the buttons and going, yeah, sure, let's see what happens. Okay then. Is Iris still here? I want to ask how her trading going. She didn't respond. I did ask her, so maybe she just quickly hopped in to say hi and left. Not 2 weeks. Okay. Tapped in there. Let's go to there. And let's just trail this, why not? Right? Why not? Is it gonna give us something nice? Do-do-do-do-do-do. Maybe not. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, she's still live? Did she just kind of hop on? That's awesome. Do I like crickets? Do I like crickets? No? Why? My morning alarm is crickets, because everything else gives me a heart attack. Jordy, I hope it's day 69. It'll be my favorite thing about this strategy. Yeah. Committed to the game, so No, because then I'll be paying too much taxes anyways. Let's see, quickly having a look here. Was that the whole push for London? And now we're gonna go sideways and be stuck here? Please don't say that's the case. That'll kind of be sad. Let's see. Okay, anyways, moving on. Moving on. Anything higher, people gonna think it's fake. Anything lower.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Bunch of mature lads over here. Yeah, obviously, guys. This is what this channel's about. We do have fun here. We cannot deny that. We do indeed have fun. Talking about the weirdest stuff. I really do need to start, like, having a catalog of the weird things that we end up talking about. Indeed, we are the maturest of them all. We're proud of you. So proud. Okay. Sitting here waiting and sitting. Who is it? Is anyone in a trade right now? Asking for a friend. Is anyone in a trade right now? Does anyone see anything? Is anyone waiting for something in particular? Yeah, what do you guys think? Maybe a soul from there to there. We get told off for deviating from pure hardcore ICT. Huh. Maya's age is the mature. Wow. I feel like once you watch or read Maya's stream, going to a stream hurts your soul. That's rough. Not to vary your shorts. Black card, you're in MNQ on a long or a short. Thumper, you're short head and shoulder. Long as there's not trend lines, you're okay. Waiting for a buy. Still long and chill, waiting for a higher for a short, okay. Laura, you're in a sell on gold. Yay! What's up, Laura? How you doing? You've been there awfully quiet. Amir, you think it'll go down? What did I see? I thought I saw Bob. Yeah. You've said that. Isn't that only trading method deployed? Position move a lot over the weekend. It's because you're doing too much, just use trendline. That's how I've made 50. Are you serious, OTT? Are you... Like, do you still have... Oh, I kind of wish you'd saved that video and posted it on the Discord. Anyways. Maya said to me if she was gonna try trading, she'd love to trade like... Why are you lying? Why are you trying to get me hated? Mikuave, rude. Black card, you're short, nice. Oh, two. Lines to rotate liquidity, yep. Not it's spell check. For our right now, but I'm looking for 6-hour TP1. If we lose the current hourly low, I'll cut it, but we'll be 1 hour. I knew Maya needs to be cancelled. Guys, why are we being haters today? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know what I did to deserve this. But apparently I need to be cancelled today. Rude. Guys, I'm just chilling in my happy, like, chilled hippie pants today. Because I just want to be comfy. I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for a setup. How's it going with you? This is how he feels on ICT. Yeah, I understand now. Notice how there's no trendline group in the Discord. Because no one has even said that they use trend lines to trade. Wow, I'm so sorry. We're being... not being haters, just... OTT asked a very genuine question the other day. No one has ever popped on here saying that they trade using trend lines. But like, just trend lines. Like, their strategy is trend lines. I agree with using like a trend line to see where liquidity and things are, right? Like I said, I sometimes draw a trend line not for the fact that I'm going to take anything at that trend line, but for once it breaks the trend line, liquidity line, whatever you want to call it. I call it a liquidity line. That there's a possibility that now we're going. Right, now it's broken, we're out of the channel, whatever you want to call it, and it's going to start moving. Hey, Shrew Daggle, how cold is it there? It's not actually that cold, I'm just a baby. Yeah, because how much noise likes to tickle? Gay. A crypto there. That's the only one I trade. I don't use any indicator. My past 2 weeks have been 31s winning 4 losses. Wait, Blackheart, how do you trade? You don't use any indicators. What do you use? Wait. I want to hear how Blackheart trades. And you said you had 31 wins and 4 losses. That's really, really good, by the way. Don't I want trade one. Bears are not pushing. You know what? I do the only crypto trade one 100% one trade. Trend lines and horizontal lines at support resistance level. Okay, there we go. So Blackheart uses trend lines and horizontal lines at support and resistance levels. Okay, but how do you trade it? Do you take it like when it taps into the trend line? Let's say it's coming down and taps into the trend line. Do you buy? I'm genuinely curious. You're the first person that's hopped on here that actually trades that way. That's why I have all these questions now. Everyone, be nice. But I genuinely have these like questions. How do you trade? Johnny, very tight range. Yep, it's 16 degrees. Guys, it's probably like 24 here again. I'm at 7, it's 15 here. This trader. Damn, okay. Therese, you only use VWAP EMA 19 of course important names and pivots. I'm aggressively into my trades due to having extra money to spend in the market. Okay, and out of curiosity, what's your win rate? And how long have you been trading for? I think that's also really important. Like, how long have you been trading for? Maybe no, let's ask win rate. How many R's do you normally aim for? Or do you kind of just... Yeah, sorry. A lot of questions. You are literally one of the first people that's actually come on here that says that they trade this. So, genuine curiosity. The floor is yours. I'm all eyes. I would say more ears, but I can't hear what you're saying. Midwinter, anything below 25 is a cool day. My mindset is to lose about... Why do you want to lose money? I'm so confused. Switching to longs, but if we win, then it's a blessing. 2 years, okay. And what got you into trading, Black Card? Wind very strong. It's windy. We've seen that meme anyway, so straight Robinhood account, no prop firms. Damn, okay. I can screenshot. Yeah, mine's 16 and raining and it's summertime. Both indexes are currently rejecting the top end of the lowest of the three distribution, which is very sharp. Not Black Card even saying I'm confused. OTT, a big franchise restaurant owner and use trading as boredom with my money. Oh. I mean, if you want to, if you're really bored and you want to get rid of money, hit me up. If you want to just, you know, throw money at something, I'm right here. You can consider me a charity case. Anyways, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, moving on. What Blackguard was saying, I'm confused. So Blackguard says, OTT. Like I said, guys, genuine curiosity. Blackguard says he uses basically trend lines and horizontal lines as support, at support and resistance levels, and that's how he trades. I'm more interested in a short from the bottom of the distribution too, from 360, 400. Okay. Unfortunately, I got good at a boredom hobby. Nice. Dev, I heard you guys had a bit of heat the other day. It's 32 degrees. You. Oh my gosh, chill, dude. What? I'm not above taking tips. Yeah, I've been trading about 2 years. Win rate is 50%, but I use pretty tight stop losses. MR is a 1 to 4 high. Oh damn. Okay, GBS. Yeah. That's really good with the 50% and a 1.4 R. That's really good. How many years still the full summer? Yeah, we had a heat wave 34 degrees on the peak. Say trend on the. Are you trading options? Chill, dude. Oh, okay. Gosh, that's hot there, guys. Should I check what the temperature is here? Who called me? Oh. No. Let's see. Shall we check what the temperature is? Options and futures. Okay, which ones are your favorite? Blackheart. Still watching this. Temperature, where I'm at right now. Current temperature at my location. Aha, it's 21 degrees here. Oh gosh, and I complain about the weather. I just realized I'm supposed to trade trend lines for a week. You are, huh? Futures now, okay. Prediction temperature mine equals not cold enough to warrant a hoodie. Normal summer day, devs. 30 is where I take off my jacket. Yep. I think I like futures better now. To be fair, so I find it really interesting. Everyone I've spoken to that used to trade something else say that they prefer futures. Okay, maybe not everyone, but in general, majority of people say that they prefer trading futures, which I think is quite cool. Emma, you speaking my language? Nailed it. When you first started, did you go straight to trading options? Okay, your options are mainly swings now. Okay, what? I guess that would be the next question. Do you do day trading, swing trading? What time frame do you trade on? Sorry, Blackheart, I've kind of like made you a little bit of a focal point. I'm just genuinely curious. Genuinely curious, because you are one of the first people to come on here and say that they actually trade trend lines. What's up, Arthur? How you doing? 21 degrees is cold. Thank you, OTT! 21 degrees is cold. Like, I was walking on the beach this morning, and my feet were cold, because it was cold. Because to be fair, I was walking barefoot on the beach. It was cold. CFD is better than futures. Okay. Sorry, Perry's asking me to go out. Give me a second. Okay. Looks like this might start pushing up soon. So I'm still watching this, believe it or not. I do when I used to trade lines. Mikawabe, did you really? With OTT, and I knew you were gonna come in. Unless you just learned about prop firms from the YouTube videos and thought it was a scam, but I guess it's all good for prop firms opposed to using your own capital. Blackheart, yeah, so I think prop firms are really good, especially if you're a beginner and if you don't have just a bunch of capital to blow, right? Let's keep heating as well. We don't have aircon, get cold, nice, GG. Literally spinning like crazy at 29 degrees. Cool to heat at that temperature. So you're happy trading. I think it's very humid when you get real heat. I think if I started with prop firms or paper trading, I would have been too scared to start an actual Robinhood account and start with the 30k mention, so I could trade unlimited when it was. Unless you're Afrikaans, if you know whether like hockey shorts and a t-shirt. OTT, you know it's cold in South Africa when they start wearing two shorts. Anyways, sorry, the little joke. I want a free funded traded account with 4 traders by entering a tournament. Oh, that's cool. Aircon, you know, in every room. I can't imagine living a heat room with that. Sounds safer. Yeah, 100% black card, and it is. So, you know, obviously prop firms are still a business, right? They are still a business, but as if you stick with the rules, you can both benefit, and I think that's really, really awesome. I'm an Afrikaans guy. I think it's stupid with the shorts in winter. I'm gonna try out for fun with your code. Ooh, okay. Why not, right, Blackguard? Momentum is picking up again, short. Blackguard, I'm not sure if you answered, like, what time frame do you normally trade on? I think it's the other way around. I would be scared taking trades with risk of 30k, then if Evo I bought selling my toes. Yeah, it's like my best friend that moved to London. She's from South Africa. Now when she comes down here in winter, she's like in shorts and a t-shirt, and she's like, it's so hot, and I'm like, are you crazy? But she's gotten used to London weather, right? It snows there. And she's like, I must go visit. I really, really want to go visit. Don't get me wrong. I'm dying to go and visit. But I also know that I would probably die if I had to go and visit because I would just freeze. Hey, Dom, what's up? You say we go to Asia High. I think it's literally messing around a little bit right now, which is real rude. Maybe a retest of VWAP on ES. Low-key looks where it might be headed, but let's see. That's pretty good. With cold water to stop sizzling at night. I'll respond probably to that later. Whenever I get bored around midnight, I can't sleep for some reason. Oh, cool. That's that mine. I'm usually learning SQL holding overnight. Actually. Okay. He's just rejected off the new at least 5 minutes. Looks like head and shoulders S&P 500, but try to close around 10 a.m. then call it a day until the night time. I'm in New York City, by the way, and not overseas. Oh, that's cool. Well, to be fair, Blackheart, I'm in South Africa, so For me, that's far. Anyways, momentum fading. Let's see something. Even radiator gives off so much heat. Does he get overheat even when he sleeps? Damn, Debbie. Speaking of, has Jay still been trying to trade or not really? Hard told my trade with a good profit. That's good. Long entry zone at 000. Yeah, and hot always have to sleep with a window open. Yeah, right. Yeah, what? Can I just say, some guy, you would not be able to do that here in South Africa unless you have. No, I'm gonna stop talking because I'm gonna make South Africa seem bad when it's not that bad. No compound temperaments and come back to the second one and be done from Africa. Gonna collect my profits and not leave any money in the table. You ever wake up with frostbite? What viable monkey's gonna get me? I mean, if you don't say that, because that sounds really, really bad. But anyways. Oh, what the heck? Wow, we've been having fat chats today. I didn't even realize the 4 AM candle had happened. Oh, that was that huge push down. And it's nearly 5 already, and we literally just had this push, and now we sit. Should we do a coin toss? Ready? What do you guys think it's gonna be? Heads or tails? You're gonna come join us for the New York in the order flow chat today. Hampton Sub-Zero, not had that. Also 9 and 21 EMA crossed. 431 candle. Tails? Okay, Lucky Mon says tails. No, I think I saw it beautiful the first time in SA. Mall of Africa, I think I'm in love. I didn't So what, did you just like sit there and stare at her? OTT? I'm trading it all, should probably join us. New York session. Cool. I like Mr. Chaos. That was good. Does he have a proper count? I'm thinking of catching along on the way back up for a quick scalp towards the recent highs. You're delaying your execution, consistency, flipping coin. No. Trust. It's in days like this where I cannot. Okay, tails one. It's on days like this where I don't have an A+ setup that I then take it. And you know what? It did me well earlier. Did it? No, not really. I sit and I wait for my proper bob to bob trade. This is 2. Bob to bob, maybe back down to VWAP. I'm gonna watch on ES. Sit on ES that I expect, whatever, might potentially go back down. Also watch this wick over here at 406. Let's see. The tails is facing up Ikuave. Shock approach engine. We saw it, I was stunned. Left for a day. I see a coin land on the edge. Oh, Lucky Mon, that would be cool as heck. Can you imagine that happened live? Ooh. So I'm actually moving this to here, but So ironically was the bob trade I was looking at earlier. Oh well. Now going, like I said, potentially down to VWAP. It might do a little bit of a retest here that it just took out the lows. Tapped into there. Let's see if it goes back up. 1, 2, 8, just shy of 3. This is a B setup, to be fair. This is definitely a B setup. How's it look on the 5-minute? Give me a second. Yeah, okay. Ah, definitely a B setup, but that's okay. Didn't quite make it. Took out the low. Oh, it's pushing nicely on ES now. Would have been the entry for potential short there, but it looks like the bulls have come back into play. Oh, okay, the bulls are back on ES. The bulls are pushing properly on ES. Yeah, I think so. If that happens, you gotta place a buy and a sell at the same time. You're fair. You know when you just sit here and you read this and you kind of go, what's happening? A whiff. Let's swap this man. Little bar. No, that was not a little. That was a big wolf. Little wolf. I'm trying to teach him how to do a little wolf. I think it'll be a. There we go. Oh. Like when I got little wolf, he goes wolf. I really want to teach him how to do that. I don't know why. It's the little things in life. But anyways. Oh damn. Okay. Chop chop city. Let's do this. 451. Nearly at 9. Okay, stop loss. I'm glad at least you got beached and Jay needs a water park in the backyard. Yeah, that would have hit my stop loss and then gone down. That would have hurt my feelings a itty bitty tad bit over there. Like seriously. That went lower than I thought it would. This is wicking up. Okay then. Interesting. OTT. Can you use multi-leg strategy on platforms or every single? It's like Robinhood. Absolutely no idea. Guys, can you use multi-leg strategy on the prop firms or only single leg orders like Robinhood? MQ market is balanced, just return to the initial balance showing short intent, but bit of long absorption. Now a good edge for me. I'm gonna stand down, okay? Steal the top. Oh my gosh. Thumper, you have targets around 28 to 70. Whoa, damn, okay. I was gonna say that's so far away, but actually it's not. It dropped so much on Friday. Good idea to wait on the sell side for now. Buy her ticket. Yes. I remember. Hope you blocked her and like never spoke to her again. Just saying. Am I gonna get cancelled by association? I am. I'm good. Okay. I say nothing. So nothing to do with me. It looks like the start of a chop fest. A little bit. Well, yeah, potentially. You have targets on your longs over 250. Yeah. Might as well aim for 360. But can you imagine? Report and try build a water theme park. Sorry, I did. My Debbie went at me. Good. Good. Just making sure. Just making sure. Heavy slippery slide from the bedroom window. Huh. Sorry, guys. Like, time is flying, but it's also barely moving. This sucks. It had that awesome push in the beginning, and now it's just meh. Now it's just meh. Where's the crap? Solly, no idea. He kind of disappeared a little bit like Rip. Him and Rip just kind of went gone into the wind. If I didn't have past videos, oh gosh, guys, it's Monday and I can't even speak normal human English today. Anyways, if I didn't have past videos showing that they were there, I wouldn't believe that they existed. I had to hit them with them. When I leave, do you guys even notice? Yeah, we do, Hammer. Hey, do people do that 26? I'd rather be campers than... I got lost. Continue personality and... Yeah, I feel I got long close Asia open over Friday's low instance and I haven't seen anything convincing. Like I said, there was the one from earlier, but I didn't like where it was at, like where it was situated. I haven't seen anything else that I'm like, this is it, this is the trade. So yeah, it's been a little bit of sitting and waiting. I guess after that damn bear dump down that we had on Friday, the markets are trying to figure some things out. To pull something down. Do that. Always so mature, they just get bigger. I feel like what you just said made no sense. Mikrof, it does make sense if you know the full story. It does make sense. It's kind of scary how they just up and disappear a little bit. Good patience today. I feel like there has to be patience every well, I guess that's where trading can be boring, right? You have to sit and wait and watch or do a coin toss on the paper account. Keep yourself entertained. I'm not saying I agree, but I can see your point. Actually, I got some theories for you on that front. Okay. Alright, Chris, save that for Discord. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, thank you. Whatever it's gonna be. Okay, so I'm actually not joking. You need the message out of the Anyways, before we get cancelled, is everyone else kind of sitting and waiting? Did anyone else take anything? Solly, did you trade this weekend? Did you trade on Friday? How's it looking? How has the trading been? You haven't really been telling me how the trading's been going. Daddy sounds so fun to be around, yeah. Solly, matter of fact, you might be a catfish since I haven't on Discord yet. What's that? Yep, still waiting. Yep, just watching Bitcoin struggle with life, and I get past this. Already done trading for the day, and I have no idea what to do. Ah, Jabez. I mean, chilling here is lots of fun. I mean, you can. I don't know what time is it there, and yeah. Are you able to go and do something? Also, I'd say just binge watch something. Binge watch a series or have a movie marathon or I don't know, it depends. I'm 54 with a hairy back. We know that, Sadi. We know that. I'm glad my Bitcoin entry got edged. I'm not okay. OTT, I'm sorry. Damn, OTT, you out there now exploring the world, hey? With Bitcoin and. Love it. Sorry, that was had a bit of a weird moment there. Anyways, moving on. What's that? Hammer? What series? Hammer, I'm watching Bones. I'm kind of binge watching Bones. I don't know why. 12 p.m. You could go out for lunch or something, Jabez, right? Oh gosh. His life is better when you're not. Perish on the data. I've not heard of that name yet. Right, and then it was on Netflix, and I was like, I haven't watched this in forever. Let me watch it. Well, I'm honestly just seeing how good my strat is. Can I trade crypto with it on high time? Oh, you just okay. As well, don't worry. Did you mention coming soon? It could have. What a South by 6 wonder. Wow, I'm watching a new series called Game. So what's that? Looks like it's breaking to the upside past that trend line. Again, sorry, I can't see the trend lines. I don't have that skill. Okay, it's time for that. What's up, Eddie? How you doing? I can't watch it because I don't get why. You have to make the main character weird. Oh my gosh. The invisible one. Oh my word. I mean, yeah. But what I'm saying is, like, it's the same with the MMXM. I really struggle to see those patterns. It just doesn't work for my brain. You know, some things make sense, some things don't to different people. I think the MMXM strategy works really, really well. If I'm not mistaken, it's what JCap actually uses. And what got him his, like, hectic payout, which is awesome. I know a lot of people use that way of trading. I struggle so much to see it. For the life of me, I don't know why. I can't. I just can't. Read what Oh? Okay. 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 Full sleep. Still under my bed. Eddie, do you know what's terrible? You said that, right? All I can picture are the drinks. The energy drinks just chilling under your bed. And I was like, that makes sense. They're energy drinks. They're gonna keep you awake. Sorry. Maybe I have a problem. Anyways, isn't patterns. Isn't a pattern? I thought it was a pattern. See, now I'm confused, RTT. Now I'm completely confused. The basic, yeah. Specifically, the name. How was the wedding? Oh, Hamlet was cool. It was cool. I was exhausted, don't get me wrong. Yo, I was finished, but yeah, it was very sweet. I've just been... He's good at everything, otherwise I just have strategies for no indicators and bot. And AMD, not the same. You can pair them together, but not the same. See, now I feel like I'm mixing up a lot of things. Like a lot of things. Like maybe I'm mixing up the Elliott wave as well. No? Yes, potentially. See, I feel like I've completely confused myself because a lot of people have tried to explain the different things, but now I feel like maybe they mix some things here and there and add this and this and this and this and this. And now my brain's kind of like, what? My traumatized by the African creepy crawlies. I like the wedding got a bit much. I have it like it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was just it was really, really long. Yeah, it was long. It was a long day. It was busy. The only upside, guys, is that there was a puppy at the hairdresser. Yes, I had to go to a hairdresser and get my hair did. Anyways, there was a puppy there that was like this big and absolutely flipping adorable. He did chew my hair. I said it's a good thing this dog like lives at a hairdresser because he's obsessed with hair. He is the cutest puppy ever. Damn, puppy fever hit. Neon, what's up? You seek the entry into a higher term for example, the reversal to upside is trying to catch either smart money reversal. Oh. Okay, OTT. See, then I feel like people have maybe just explained it really badly. Yeah, I feel like people have maybe explained it really badly. Here's working with candles, for example, 10 a.m. candles up, for example, thinking to the weekend candles to continue higher. Okay, okay. Under the invisible trend line now. One candle. Am I trading? Well, it's not really it's London. It's London market, but I am. I'm just waiting for any opportunity to catch a trade, which is just not really presenting itself right now, which is quite frustrating. Yeah, and I guess we're having conversations while doing it as well. OTT like an ICT bot just spitting out any answer you're looking for. Nice puppy. I don't like dogs even as a puppy. Hammer? I'm not saying I'm judging you, but I'm judging. I'm judging hardcore. Just putting it out there. For the higher time frame, you cannot open shop a bit. Kind of body, I don't use it, but yeah, like I said, ICT, my dad. You know what? Do you see, like, just saying that, I'm low-key now a little bit confused about some things, but it's okay. Oh, I just switched from CFD to futures and it's great, honestly. Hey, there we go, Neon, yeah. I literally actually just said that a few hours ago, how it's very interesting how a bunch of people have switched to futures from whatever it may be that they used to trade and they actually really prefer futures. I'm just like, that's very, very interesting. Like, you are not the first person. There's a lot that say that they used to trade something and then they went to futures and futures is just so much better. Why is it for you though? Like, why do you say it's better? Does it just respect levels better? Is it less wiki? Is it the spread? Like, what is it that makes it just better for you? One thing I heard about YouTube Live, it's hard to scroll back and forth if you miss something you said. Yeah. I'm bringing with videos you work on. AMD different and AMD harder and more annoying. Easy if you pair it proper. Okay, so maybe OTT, maybe you need to explain MMXM to me better and yeah, maybe that's just it. Maybe me and you need to sit down. You have to explain it to me. And OTT says he prefers CFDs. It's going lower, so towards the last lower high area. Demonte, you would like us to go down to 29. I mean, we're going there slowly. To be fair, it is happening, just slowly. VWAP is right here. I did say that ES looks like it's seeking VWAP. You know, people who read me only do think we hate each other. Yeah, I was just reading that going, oh damn. Unless they read that last message. Basically, absolutely love the NQ. The volume, respect to my levels, good aura, just better. Okay, and you trade the NQ. Like, not ES futures or anything like that. Your go-to is the NQ. We don't want it. Hey Cedric, is it that cold though? It's actually like 21 degrees here, but I'm just a big baby. I mean, to be fair, I have like a short sleeve on under this, so it's... yeah. If I was super cold, I would have like 5 layers on. I've done that before. Plenty of times. because I'm shorting to it right now. And it says how long have you been trading? Black card. Oh, you're speaking with Demonte about his strategy. There we go. I dropped my coin. There it is. I found it. Nobody panic. Woo! Okay, Demonte, I'll join you. It's on the paper account, so nobody panic. Oh? Let's see. Demonte is looking for it to go to 29. Still gotta go further. Damn. Where should I place stop loss? Above here. Yeah, let's make it at 100. Let's see how that works. Again, guys, this is just, it's a paper. I don't just like hop into things for funsies, but I have yet to have an A+ setup form, so I might as well just do a quick little paper trade. Because we can, right? Because we can. Yeah, I trade NQ and MDC because I traded gold only in CFD, and you know the best part about futures because I trade props. Like making $500 across 20 accounts. Nice! Okay, Neon, what props do you use out of curiosity? Don't even joke like that, OTT. There might be someone in here who thinks yours there is. I know there's a... Oh, well, let's actually ask Black Card, do you know Tory trades? Sorry, you're the only like trend line. Whoopsie daisies, you're the only like trend line trader that we know, so I'm gonna ask you if you know Tory. Hope that's okay. You've never heard her? Never heard of her? What? I am shooketh. Blackheart has never heard of Tory trades, but Blackheart trades whatchamacallits? Train lines. $5.15. Sorry, her. There we go. Use Lucid, 5 times Trader 5 times Alpha, 5 times Top Step. Gosh. Neon, what the heck? How long have you been trading for, Neon? I'm assuming you're profitable, or else you wouldn't be copy trading so many accounts, right? Right? He knows a lot from power stations to making him work because it involves a lot. Damn, Deb. Yeah, I used to trade train lines and I had a bit of success with that than I did. I used to train lines on top of ICT. Oh, damn. Well, I guess, you know, I definitely don't. Because I thought it was a guy. That's valid. OTT is probably your microwave. I'm trading about 2 years, but including crypto, almost 10 years now. You've been trading for 3.5 years now. Yes, of course, I'm profitable. Don't say of course. You know, some people only become profitable after, well, around 3 to 5 years of their trading career. Let's call it a career, right? Trading journey. Journey is better. Let's call it a journey. So how long did it take you to become profitable, Neon? I did about like 3 days ago. Maya, buy an Evon, swing that thing. Bitty pushing, let's go, baby. Noise, some guy. Oh, this is not looking good, Demonte. Just saying. Demonte. Am I saying it wrong again? I feel like I'm saying it wrong again. I'm so sorry. He's good in the ATM. I thought I tried the coin. Don't say that, my entry didn't get tagged. 2.5 years has been a year since you're profitable. There we go, Neon. Yeah, that sounds about right. Right? What I tend to see is anywhere from 2 years onwards is, well, 2 to 5 years. Right? 2 to 5 years tends to be where people start to become profitable. Somewhere in that range, depending. There are some people that are out of the ordinary, if you will, that like are profitable sooner or whatever the case may be, but in general, from 2 to 5 years is where people tend to become profitable. Nice. You only trade and not buy crypto. Whoever Bitcoin long, I'm praying when you're done. Oh, I'm the biggest hater. Wow. Not on the sidelines. I have to watch the chart TV for some reason. Might be being tested. I'm sorry. If you don't ICT, it'd take you 5 years. If you employed. OTT came out the womb with a fund. Ah, sorry. OTT can't trade Lucid, you see? South African. We're not allowed Lucid in SA. It's a little bit sad, actually. The lie, it's very sad. Okay, let's see. My first word was payout. The thing is, people need to understand profitability. Oh, 100%, Neon, 100%, 100%. And this is why. So we make jokes sometimes. We do make jokes. But it is in good faith. I think everyone in this community is very well aware that every strategy can work and can be profitable depending on the person, right? Not one single strategy is going to work for everyone, or else everyone would just be using that single strategy. So every strategy can be profitable. It just depends on the person, if they understand it, if they know when to execute, if they know how to execute it correctly, if they know how to read the chart. Like this is why I hate marketing. And anyways, this I did a little bit as a joke. I said I would take it with Demonte to the sell side down to 29, but anyways, and it is on paper. Just putting it out there. This is on paper. Makes no difference in my life. Whatever happens, happens. But you know, there's a lot of strategies out there. A lot of strategies out there, and either it works for you or it doesn't. But at the end of the day, if you don't know when to execute, how to execute, and you have the wrong psychology for it, it's not going to work for you. That's about it. Oh my good grief, Carol. Ironically, Sully, top steppers are out in South Africa. It's amazing, sorry. Great. Oh, no, I can use that. No. Oh, then, oh, what, are you asking what time it is here? It is 5:21. No, sorry, that's EST time. It's 11:22 here in South. Why is my timing off? Did it just change now? Okay. No, why is my timing off? This is gonna drive me crazy. Anyways, sorry. It is 11:22 here in South Africa, and womp womp. Looks like it's gonna be a loss. Long, nice USD entry. Super serious. I've counted the leaves on that palm and I've yet to see growth. Hey, Mal's gonna make a joke. It's okay. I'd take 100 cons on paper. Why you just won? I don't actually know. It's a genuine question. With the paper trading, right? It gives you 100k balance. What happens if you reach 0? Does it just reset it? Genuine question. Does it just reset it? Because I'm curious. Final plans, after people I'm equal those. I should have never said anything. Yeah, it's your fault, Demon. Sorry. Honestly, I'm pretty young and I'm glad that the opportunity to make money from the comfort of my home. Neon, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you? If you don't mind me asking. Hey, Dave, Josh, how's the council life? Very good question. No idea. No. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be on for another like 30 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I noticed that calling the trades out. The hedge funds are listening. Right, Blackcard? I'm convinced that there is actually someone out there that watches this and they go, how can we screw Maya today? Let's see. She's keen on this. Let's do that. I'm not even gonna look. Let's see what happens. Nothing, you can plug more money. Oh, cool. Hammer, when am I moving? 19 days, Hammer. The 27th I'm driving up. The 26th the thing is the what? Oh my gosh, malfunction, brain malfunction. The 26th, the furniture removal company is coming to pick up. I'm driving up on the 27th. They're dropping off my stuff on the 29th. There we go, nailed it. I don't believe I tell you my age, I'm 21. Ah, Neon! You, OTT, and Solly, and Mikwave have to start like a youngsters club. I love it. I love it. Don't worry, you're not... Well, to be fair, I think OTT is a year younger than you. And then you all make me feel old. I'm close to you. My daughter is your age and she is now learning day trading while in her last year of college before graduation, so congratulations. I will wait for the last day to do that, Hammer. Smart. Smarty pants. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see here. I'm laughing at you. You're like 18 months older than me, man. Oh, really? No way, Sonny. Okay, I legit thought that you were like 21. Hey Ninja, how you doing? Oh, wait, nothing keeps it going. No. I got like crypto made me money. They're trading him. It's amazing. A whole life with them, not ready for everyone. I'm not trying to offend anyone, but it takes a huge mental pressure. No, Neon, it does, but that's why a lot of people trade on the side, right? They have a job and they trade on the side because then there's not that extra pressure on top. I think the people that trade for a living have some wild psychology. Like, y'all have such good control of your mental state. I am jelly. Damn, so you're in your 70s, bro. Wow, OTT! I'm 17. I've been trading for 9 years now. Demonte, shush. He starts cooking on the chance. Thanks, just having a busy day at work. Ah, Ninja, you know what? I can't complain. I'm just chin-chillin'. Yeah, that's all we do. Just chin-chill. Mikuave, because it's on the paper, and paper is very glitchy. That's basically it. Yeah, I think that's literally why. Paper's just quite glitchy. My 75.5, wow. I think most people who trade for a living have reached still only risking a small percent of capital, but with a large sum of money, so the gains are more than enough. That's true. Just live their life without worrying about the cycling on premium figure and about that. So she's been begging to get into she's on paper trading now with Forex. I am literally gonna keep this up. Let's see. Let's see. This thing has like 30 minutes. Let's see where this heads. When it reaches a certain point. Or should I just leave it like this? Should I just leave it? What's the worst case? Worst case, it takes me out. Best case, it goes all the way and takes this out at 29. That'd be very, very interesting. Again, and I cannot stress this enough. I have yet to have an A+ setup, which is a bummer. That being said, let's have a quick look at this. Okay, let's see what this does. Trading full-time isn't as bad as people think, but at the same time, full-time traders don't live payout to payout, if that makes sense. So the need to perform that government payables isn't there. You're assuming, what if, so OTT, hear me out, what if you were living payout to payout? Would that pressure really not be there then? Like waiting for the next payout for you to be able to afford something? Okay. So I'm hoping so because the pattern recognition is far better than design of quality. Take over the scene. What's up, Gok? How you doing? I got over this. Too soon I was in the boat for a bit. My hairline pushed back 2 centimeters every month. The plan is to make other sources of income and have a passive which will cover up your monthly expenses, because trading isn't a linear career. Interesting, Neon. So, like, if you don't mind me asking, what do you then have on the side? Because it sounds like you are just kind of low-key trading full-time at this point, right? Sorry, I'm asking a lot of people a lot of questions. It's because we have some new awesome community members. What's up, guys? If you want to join the Discord, more than welcome to. It is in the description. Yeah. But seriously, welcome to everyone that is new. For me, keeping a part-time job pays the bills and helps with psychology and his physical job, and I enjoy exercise, so I just often can't see if it getting paid to exercise. There we go. If you're living to payout, you need to get a job to reduce the stress. Trading is extra income and growing investments in the background. Like the comeback happened. Planning on running on business. Using capital's kind of broken. Just one bit. Wow, nice. Take this trade on your funded. If it doesn't work, I'll buy you 5 more counts. Well, it's too. Well, I mean, I'm in this trade. What do you mean? I'm already in this bad boy right here. Working with my 2 times a week. I've been getting all the stress. Now I'm good. Once background investments are large enough to reach escape velocity, then I lose the day job. Oh, that's cool. I'm living in AS. Everyone can be a full-time trader because of dollar Turan. So OTT, once you get a payout, you just kind of like put that away and that's how you go, and then next payout you then kind of put that away and that's how you go, right? Is that low-key what you do? Obviously you put some into buying new evals or whatever the case may be. Of course actually full-time, but yeah, I'm a brand. Right. Ooh, own clothing brand, that's cool, Neon. Do you want to send some? I hope you know when I say these things, I am literally joking. I'm literally joking, but anyways. Worry about my bills, even have negative months, my payouts are somewhere. Nice. And you'll soon get your account back. Error. No, wow. I'm gonna sell your Bugatti first, so you can have it. You're currently trading QQQ options but want to switch to futures. Why not? Is it Burl? Is it Burl Schmurl? I hope that you did that on purpose. That's amazing. Keep grinding. It's gonna pay off soon at anything. What's your brand? I'm into fashion. Ooh. Ooh, so I finally finished off and published on 2 of my apps this week and we'll be getting in touch with you. Ooh, okay, Ninja. I'm keen. Let's see. My performing OSG got some crazy side project. Chill dude, where's the TP? The TP is at 29 on the dot. So it's all the way down here. Sorry, let me maybe zoom out. Ooh, I clicked the wrong button. There we go. That's the trade right there. We are signing on sports, we like gym clothes. Neon, then definitely send me some. Sorry, I love my sportswear. I love it. I love it. Sorry, it's like my, yeah. 99% of my life is spent in tights. Because I also ride in them. Being a horse rider for the win. Anyways, my brand. Nature World froze. I'm in New York City. Damn! Well, I don't really wear jewelry and diamonds, so sorry. Not my thing, but I'm sure there will be other people around that they are like, yes, please. Black cards and Maya fur coat. Have you ever traded anything else other than futures? Burl Troll? I have not. I know a lot of people have though. They, majority, not all of them, but majority tend to actually prefer trading futures. Wow, contact you and send something for a shout out. Oh, hell yeah. I got you. So, what? What just happened? Sorry, back to the charts. Whoa! Okay then. The whole thing is bridge here and there, but now I'm just taking some compound days. And at the same time, I don't have both as well. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Okay, was there news or something? Like 5:36, that's the most random. It's not like it's on the hour, not on the 15-minute. There's nothing super important that happens at 5:36. So, was there a tweet? Must be Cedric, right? Imagining that sign describing mismatching. Go text him. Ask him what's up. Like I said, guys, more than welcome to pop onto the Discord as well. Just wow. Okay. That was insane. What? How big was this? Sorry. 88-point jump. Out of nowhere. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. I feel like that was a bit of a stop loss hunt. Now we might just continue to the sell side. Let's see. But I guess it's something else. Trump saying they must stop shooting. The market is playing with my account. Flipping. Sounds like it, Demonte. Where do you have your... Wait. Let me rather ask this. Do you have a stop loss set, Demonte, or not really? Are you just going with it? I'm still waiting for the break next high before I jump into a long. That's all I see on financial news, Kennedy. I sent missiles 28 minutes ago, is that it? But that was 28 minutes ago, Solly. There we go, thanks OTT. So it was a little bit, was it a tweet? Oh, the cards lines alongside the typing and more like I'm pulling. Also typing has been Trump responded, I'm so tough. OTT, yeah, you're just a cool kid. I don't know how you cope. I got him on speed dial. OTT, I believe you 0% right now, but that's okay. Literally 0%. But we will continue. I wouldn't even know where to start. Guys, I don't even know how you start doing code to begin with, so respect to anyone that knows how to do code. Speaking of OTT, how's that game going? So I'm just making a mess. I'm so cool, I can't even go to the beach, the water gonna freeze. In real life, I'm the smart one in my friend group. Yeah, I'm the idiot wherever I go, so it's okay. I get on here and get humbled daily. Guys, that was insanity. Absolute insanity, but it's okay, we continue. Coding is like painting. If you can think it, you can do it. See, maybe that's it. Maybe I just, yeah, but like, where do you, I don't even know how you would begin. Do you just, like, see, I'm malfunctioning just trying to think about how it would work. I'm literally having a malfunction. Who's gonna code my brain to start working normally again? Because I grew up 50 macros, no stop loss set, shorted. And price breaks high, session retest and breaks high. If that happens, then buy it. Okay. OTT Maya, there's good news and bad news. Okay, bad news is you have not been working on it, right? I'm the same, I don't understand none of that. I just use them. When that's close, I get to coding, breaking. Oh, damn, Debbie. Whoosh. bit of a push there. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing is just being difficult. That was a volume order spike, too much to explain via chat. Okay, old name. Good news is I worked. Bad news is that I worked on it. And weird errors. Ah, that makes sense. You're making it. Taking out that every day early when he is just... OTT, I don't know who I'm more shocked at right now. I'm just here going, ah! You know that little meme? Wait, let me find this. This is how I feel right now. This is how I feel right now. I am like the scared little hamster going, ah! Reading this text. Oh, I'm reading everything you say. I'm just in the corner going, oh, okay. It's just literally how I feel. Oh my gosh, they drew it holding a cross. Anyways, that's low-key how I feel at the moment with you guys. Straight up. But anyways, back to the charts. Not that the charts are giving us much at the moment. Well, they're not giving me much at the moment. I think some of you are getting some awesome bangers. Good for you. I'm jealous. We have not done butterfly of the day. Oops. Let me quickly do this. Let's quickly do our random butterfly generator. Are we ready? Sell side OB from Friday. Oh, thanks, all them. That makes sense. What's up, Laura? How are we doing? Bro, if you can load, that'd be great. Let's try this again. There we go. Okay, are we ready? Okay, let's quickly do butterfly of the day before I do get cancelled. Okay, so let's generate a random butterfly. Oh! What? This thing look cool as heck. What? What? This thing is so cool. I like this butterfly. This is a cool butterfly of the day. The comma is a fascinating butterfly. The scalloped edges, okay, we're getting fancy, and cryptic coloring of the wings conceal hibernating adults amongst dead leaves. While the larvae flecked with brown and white markings look like bird droppings. What the heck? So this is just like a master of camouflage. The species has a flexible life cycle which allows it to capitalize on favorable weather conditions. However, the most remarkable feature of the comma has been its severe decline in the 20th century and subsequent comeback. It is now widespread in southern Britain and its range is expanding northwards. Okay, so family is that one. It's a medium-sized wingspan of 55 to 60 millimeters. Oh, I'm trying to decide if I go outside and yell. So least concern, conservation priority is low. In the European states, it's not threatened. Cool. Habitat is open woodland and wood edges as the main breeding and hibernating. Cool. countries: England, Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. Nice. This is what he looks like. He literally looks like a leaf. Would you believe it? I'm so lame. So, fun disturbing fact. You know butterflies have scales? Their wings are scaled? I don't like that fact, but anyways. That's our butterfly of the day. Let's go back to the charts. The butterfly didn't really making up butterflies. The video content so severe that never rebound would extinct to the end. The closest thing to a butterfly I've seen is a moth. Now they say putting photos of leaves up. Believe it. It's such a joke. I think I'm funny. Oh gosh. I don't think so dumb because we look at candles, they can't fool us. Oh, I nearly made such a bad joke. I was like, we should be doing moth of the day because, you know, moths are attracted to light and candles, light. The light of a anyways. I feel like I need to put myself in timeout for that one. I've stared into the candle flames for so long I can no longer be fooled. So Solly just is the moth. That's what I'm getting. Solly is just the moth. End of story. Why does this price action suck today? Come on. That's such a nice push and now it's just meh. Now it's just being meh. Come on, bud. Give us something good here. Give us something to work with. Anything. Maya's jokes need to be studied. And the cue needs to be found. Wow.
Emotional damage.
Rough. That was mean. Absolutely rough. Okay, who's in a trade right now? Again, asking for a friend. We think anything is gonna come of this. I'm starting to think no, and we come back and we try again for New York. Sorry, I thought I was funny, okay? You know what? I think I'm funny. I think that's all that matters. As long as you're funny and you have a good time. Who cares? What a dog. Anyways. I mean, this Loki looks close to stopping me out there. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. What the heck would I have drawn this? Oh, there we go. Followed that, wouldn't have tagged me in, bruh. I'm getting nothing. Hey. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce your name. I'm gonna butcher it so badly. My entry set up in very short words, 50% retracement. With 3 or more confluences for protection of the stop loss. There we go. Close your eyes and press buy. Stop it, MTT, stop lying. I think sideways for a bit, then pump for New York, maybe even during pre-New York. But hear me out, Debbie. Normally if it does pre-New York, New York tends to go sideways. Until PM session, I think. Oh, let's hope that it's not just waiting for PM session. That would hurt my feelings. My lying, she uses a coin only on paper. Only on paper. And the coin has been doing me dirty today. Cool. Cool. Methinks for calling it today. Had one potential setup, it didn't come back and tag me. Where was it? Oh, it was here. Didn't come and get me. This has now just been messing around the whole time. Friday's New York dump didn't make sense, so that's why I'm expecting price to move back up to where it was before New York dump. Why do you say it didn't make sense though, Debbie? What makes you say that the New York dump didn't make any sense? Gonna wait for Debbie to answer, and then I'm probably gonna call it a day there for today. Come back for New York, see what it brings. Or am I dun dun dun? I dropped points and it wasn't news, and if he wasn't bad either. True. Was he bullish till this 4 hour mitigate if I better get from the 4 hour rejection block? You really do that, OTT. I'm gonna use the prop firm to decide who knew my trade. No. Try to be weird. Okay, let's see. Blackheart. Are you gonna keep track? I'm curious. First off the cliff. Hello, water was. No, not that it was normal. Just like. Everyone was waiting for the bear run to happen. Right? Everyone has been waiting for the bear run to happen. So. The fact that it's kind of happening didn't really surprise me. I guess maybe, like you said, the move itself surprised me. So a bit of a correction before continuation back down. Or was that literally just to get people to start thinking the bear run was happening before it goes back up? In the time. Okay, so in the time it took. So basically, the weird thing was how quick it happened. Got it. Okay. Well then, on that note, let's call it, let's come back for New York, because this does kind of low-key look like it's going sideways. Hopefully we then get something good later. I have no hopes for anything anymore. Nah, that was dark and depressing. I'm expecting it to be good today, so even if it's a Monday. Let's see what happens. OTT back for New York. Hopefully we're gonna get some banger A+ setups. Okay, I love you guys madly. See you then later for the New York Open. Let's see what happens. That's all. Let's see what happens. Okay, love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. If you want to join the Discord, you can. Link is in the description. And yeah, if you guys want to use, or if you want some discounts, you can use my code. It's teachmile caps no gaps. Yeah. Okay, I love you guys.